You know that feeling when life just feels stuck. When you wake up, scroll your phone, see everyone else living their dream life, and deep down you think, why not me? 30 days ago, that was me. I was lost, frustrated, and honestly a little skeptical about manifestation. But what happened next completely changed everything. In just 30 days, I went from being unsure about my future to living the exact life I had been visualizing for years. A life filled with peace, purpose, and the kind of opportunities that felt impossible before. And today, I'm not here to sell you a dream or some overnight trick. I'm going to share exactly how I manifested my dream life in 30 days. Step by step, no fluff, no fake positivity, just what actually worked. So grab your journal, take a deep breath, and let's dive in. Before I talk about manifestation, let's be real. I wasn't someone who believed in it. I thought it was just wishful thinking, like writing things in a notebook and hoping the universe sends it. But earlier this year, I hit a breaking point. My 9 to 5 felt meaningless, my energy was gone, and every night I went to bed thinking, is this really it? I remember one night I was journaling and I wrote, I am tired of surviving. I want to start living. That sentence was the spark. It wasn't about money or fame. It was about freedom, purpose, peace. That's when I decide I will give manifestation one honest shot. 30 days, full commitment, no shortcuts. I called it my 30 days to dream life experiment. The rule was simple. For 30 days, I would live as if my dream life already existed. I didn't know how it would happen. I just focused on feeling it. And guess what? I divided it into 3 parts: mindset, energy, and action. Every single day, I trained my mind, my emotions, and my habits to align with the version of me I wanted to become. And the results were insane. But before I share that, let's break down exactly what I did. The first 10 days were all about rewiring my beliefs. I realized something powerful. You don't manifest what you want, you manifest what you believe you deserve. So I asked myself, what do I truly believe about success, love, and abundance? The answer shocked me. I was full of doubts. I used to think things like, people like me don't get lucky. I'm not confident enough. It's too late for me. Every time one of those thoughts appeared, I flipped it with, people like me create their own luck. Confidence is something I can build. It's never too late, it's just day one. I also created a 30 seconds morning mantra, which is, everything I desire is already mine. I am aligned with abundance. Saying that daily didn't just sound nice, it started changing my energy. Because when your language changes, your vibrations shifts. By day 10, I realized manifestation isn't just about thoughts, it's more about emotions. I started practicing a 10-minute visualizing every morning, not imagining the future me, but feeling like the person now. I would sit quietly, close my eyes, and imagine waking up in my dream home, checking emails filled with opportunities, helping people, inspiring them, creating impact. But here's the secret. I let my body feel the gratitude as if it was real. That emotion is the language of universe. I also removed negativity. No complaining, no gossips, no self-blame. Energy is contagious, my friend. I want you to remember this. Energy is contagious. So I surrounded myself with positivity, playlists, affirmations, YouTube video like this one, and people who believed in me. Within a week, I noticed something wild. Random messages, new clients, and small wins started showing up. Is this coincidence? Maybe. Or is this alignment? Definitely. It was alignment. Here's where most people get manifestation wrong. They visualize but never move. The universe doesn't reward daydreams. The rewards which universe give has to be aligned with the action. So during the last 10 days, I asked myself daily, what would the version of me living my dream life do today? Some days it meant waking up early and meditating. Some days it meant finally applying for the opportunity I was afraid of. Other days it meant saying no to people who drained me. Every action was a message to the universe, I am ready. I am ready. And that's when everything started aligning faster than I imagined. A new job opportunity came. An old connection reached out to me. My energy skyrocketed. It wasn't magic, it was momentum. By the end of the 30 days, my external world has changed completely. But more importantly, my internal world had shifted completely. I had new opportunities, yes, but I also had peace, purpose, and clarity I would never felt before. The biggest realization: your dream life doesn't appear when everything's perfect. It starts the moment you decide to become the person who deserves it. Mark my words, friends. So here's what I learned after manifesting my dream life in just 30 days. First one is clarity creates power. Write down exactly what you want. Always focus on writing, because writing helps you to make your visions and whatever you are feeling inside more clear. And clarity always creates power. Trust me. Second, feel before it's real. Emotion is your frequency. Third one, detach from how. Don't chase, just attract. You don't have to focus on how it will happen. It is just the department of universe. It's not your headache. Your focus should be always on manifestation, on attraction, how you are going to attract. But that how word should not be there. You should be only focusing on doing things. Universe will reward you anyhow, right? Now fourth one, take inspired actions daily. Because my friends, energy moves when you do. And fifth one, gratitude is the magnet. The more thankful you are, the faster it flows back. I hope this story reminds you that your dream life isn't far away. It's waiting for you to believe it's possible. If you are ready to start your own 30-day manifestation journey, drop a moon in the comment. I will reply to every single one. Subscribe if you want more real manifestation experiments, and remember, you are the creator of your reality. Until next time, keep manifesting miracles.